Hi guys, welcome back. So today we have an eye makeup tutorial. Yes, we're doing a makeup tutorial. It's been a while. I feel like I haven't had makeup on forever and a day. I've had very little makeup, just not eye makeup. I think I've just been doing a mascara and that's pretty much it, and maybe a lip gloss. But anyways, I'm back with this eye makeup tutorial, and I'm gonna be using, yes, I'm gonna be using a Makeup Geek eyeshadows. I know there's all this craziness going on YouTube with the whole beauty community, but you know what? I am not involved in none of that stuff, and I just wanted to use my Makeup Geek eyeshadows because I love my Makeup Geek eyeshadows. I've always loved their eyeshadows. They're super affordable. They are amazing eyeshadows. They have never stopped being amazing eyeshadows. So I decided to bring them out and play today with them. So this is the look I created with them today. If you want to see how I got this look, then obviously you have to keep watching. Please make sure you are subscribed to the channel, follow my other social medias, and watch my previous videos. Let's get started. So the first eyeshadow I'm going to be using is Creme Brulee, which is this one right here. And I'm using a Sigma E40 tapered blending brush. I'm going to be applying Creme Brulee on my upper crease. And it's going to go from outer all the way to inner corner. This will be my transition shade. And I will be dragging it out just a little bit on the edge right here, because I like the way it looks. I hardly ever do the straight cut on the end of my eye because I do like it a little bit messy. It's not that I don't like when it's like really cut. I do like it, but I prefer it a little round and messy at the end instead. Well, for now, that's what I've been liking. You know, I can never say that I don't change my mind all the time, so I do. The next eyeshadow I'm taking is Peach Smoothie, which is this one right here, on my Royal and Langnickel brush. This is a detail brush, and I'm going to apply Peach Smoothie on my brow just to clean that up just a little bit and to give it a nice lift. The third eyeshadow I'm using is Sidekick, which is this one right here. And I'm going to be placing Sidekick onto my crease. The brush I'm using is a Luxie 229 tapered blending brush for this application. So I'm just going to take a little bit of Sidekick and I'm going to go into the crease of my eye from outer all the way to inner corner. The same thing I did with my previous eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna softly blend this from outer to inner corner. Like I said, I'm just gonna keep it a little bit lower because I do want to see a nice transition between the colors. And I will be bringing it all the way in, as you guys can see on this eye. And I'm tilting my head a little bit back because I have the mirror in front of me and I want to see where my crease is, and I can actually feel it with the brush. So when I lean a little bit back, I can feel where I'm putting the eyeshadow versus doing this and the eyeshadow going onto my lid and up, and you know, it just gets a little messier. So when I throw my head back just a little bit, I can see what I'm doing a little bit better. So my fourth eyeshadow is going to be Cabin Fever, which is this one right here. And as you can see, it's a little bit darker than Sidekick. And I'm using a Luxie 237 blending brush. I just keep going smaller. They're all blending brushes, but let me show you. I started with the E40 by Sigma, then the 229 by Luxie, and now the 237. Yeah, the 237 by Luxie as well. But as you can see, sorry, they're all a little smaller than the next one. So now I'm going to take Cabin Fever on this Luxie brush, and I'm going to do the exact same thing I've been doing. Just going to tilt my head a little bit back, and I'm going to be placing this right into that crease just to deepen everything. all the way from outer to inner corner. Soft circular motions. I'm holding the brush from the outer end of the barrel. I've held the brush on all the applications from the outside. If you can remember, or if you want to, you can rewind and see. But I do like to hold the brushes from over here because I can blend. When you do see me holding the brush from a little bit from the inside of the barrel, it's because I want to be I want more color, like right there. I'm not trying to distribute the color too much. As you can see how much darker that is right here than it is over here. So if I just want to blend that out, I hold it from the outside and the bristles are able to move a lot more freely and they start blending, like buffing everything instead of being more precise. So I'm going to continue using the same brush, a Luxie 237 brush and Cabin Fever. And I'm going to be placing Cabin Fever right under my lashes. Let me grab a mirror. Yeah, I'm going to be placing this right under my lashes. My lower lashes, I mean. And I'm just going to buff this from outer to inner corner. And now, still using the 237 by Luxie, I'm going to go into Cherry Cola, which is this one right here. And I'm going to place this on my outer V, just a little bit, and a tiny little bit into the crease. So this is all I'm going to be doing. I'm going to stamp it right here, flick it up a little bit, and whatever's left on the brush, I'm going to bring it into the crease. And I'm going to bring it in just halfway, because remember, I still have Sidekick, and even though Cherry Cola is a lot darker than Sidekick, I'm going very lightly with Cherry Cola, so it just gives me a little bit of more depth. It doesn't look a lot darker because I'm not adding a lot of eyeshadow at this point. All right, now I'm gonna go into this Morphe M432 brush and into Cherry Cola, and I'm gonna be placing this right under my lower lashes, and I'm going to keep it really tight on the lashes. I'm going to do it all the way from outer to inner corner. So now I'm going to go into this eyeshadow right here named Rapunzel, and I'm using a BH Cosmetics flat shader brush. And I'm going to be applying Rapunzel on my mobile lid. And it's going to be from all the way from this inner corner of my eye, and I'm going to meet with Cherry Cola over here. Right now I'm just placing it. I'm going to open my eye, look up, do whatever I want, look down, up, whatever, to see what transfers, whatever works for you, to see what transfers. And now I know how far up I'm going to go with Rapunzel. Okay, so now if you have to touch up with Sidekick or Cherry Cola on this outer V, you can do so now. That's what I'm doing. So I'm just making sure these eyeshadows blend nicely. And you can go back to any of the other eyeshadows and brushes you need to go back to. All right, so now I'm just gonna take this contour brush. It's just a small contour brush by Modern Minerals. And I'm gonna go into Shimma Shimma, which is this one right here. And I'm gonna be placing this in my inner tear duct area for a highlight. I'm just gonna place it right here. And I'm going to go back to the 237 brush by Luxie and Sidekick. And I'm going to buff my lower lashes. Let me grab my mirror. Buff this right under. And I'm also going to use Creme Brulee to make sure everything is blended. So I'm gonna pick up this e.l.f. contour brush and into Creme Brulee, which I have it down here in my mirror. And now I'm going to buff this right under Sidekick. Okay, so the next step is eyeliner. I'm gonna be using this NYC liquid eyeliner, and I'm just gonna be creating a wing with the eyeliner. And after the eyeliner, I'm going to apply some mascara. Today I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Voluminous Original Mascara, and I'm going to be using these Kiss Flirty Lashes, and I will be right back. I'm going to take this dark brown eyeliner pencil by Jonte Blue, and I'm going to be applying this on my waterline. If you want to do black, you can do black, but I wanted to keep it a little warmer, so I'm going with the brown instead. And that's pretty much it for the eyes, you guys. Actually, that is it for the eyes. I'm gonna move on to the lips. I'm gonna be using Verona by Ofra. And I've already done my face, obviously, as you can see. I used the Christian Dior Forever foundation. And this is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you are subscribed to the channel, follow my other social medias, and watch my previous videos. Until next time, my loves, hugs and kisses. Bye.